Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about what is market trends. Market trends refer to a general direction in which the stock market or specific stocks sector or assessed class is moving over the period of time. These trends can be help investor to make informed decision about when to buy, sell or hold their investments. First, bull market. Description: a bull market occurs when the stock market is one of the rise price are generally increasing over a period of time, typically by 20% or more. Characteristics: investor confidence is high, economically conditions are often favorable, invest expect price to keep rising, leading or buying. Example: after a global financial in 2008, there was a bull market in 2000 century. A major indicates like the SP 500 seeing significant gains. Bear market. Description: a bear market is a opposite of a bull market, where prices is generally falling. Its using refer to a market that is dropped by a 20% or more than recent high. Characteristics: investor premise in the prevent economics condition might be poor. Investor may sell off stocks out of fear, leading a further decision. Third, sideways flat market. Description: in a sideways market, stock price do not show a clear upward or downward trend. It's generally move with a certain range over the expected period. Market volatility is low with a no clear momentum. Investor may be concerned or waiting a more economic signal. Trading volume may be decline as a result of lack of movement. Key concept in market trends: trend lines. Lines drawn on stock chart in visually represent in general direction of price. An upward trending indicates a bull market and downward trend line indicates a bear market. Support and resistance level. These are price level where stock trend in reverse direction, spot where is a price trend stop falling, and resistance in where a price trend to stop rising. Indicators: investor use technical indicators like moving average of the relative strength index. This is my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks to all. Have a nice day.